Hey everyone, it's 2020, and I'm pretty sure a lot of us have made resolutions. And when I did some research as to looking at what are some of the top resolutions people make part of the new year, one of the biggest items, the top one obviously stands out to have either a better health or lose weight or eat healthy, something in that spectrum. And the very next one is standing out is career. A lot of the adult population really are making resolutions to be better in their job or making resolutions to get that promotion that they were working for last year or make more money in their career. So one or the other way, money and career stands out as the top second resolutions in any year. And if you are a career woman and you want to take charge of your career this year, you want to be the best version of yourself and make more meaning out of your time that you're spending at work and drive that career and bring more peace and joy to your life while creating a financial freedom goals and working towards it, then I am here to present to you a laser focused mini mastermind program that is exclusively to discuss the topic of career experience and progression. So, myself, I'm Rajita Rupani, and I'm here giving you a preview of the upcoming mastermind program, which is a workshop with a small set of group. And I laser focus to give you the best tools and frameworks that will help you accelerate your career needs. Just to give you a preview of the topics I would cover part of this workshop and highlights here. You would be getting a lot of information from this workshop. You will be working in a group of like-minded group of people who are also aspiring to get the best out of their spectrum. So the network is one thing that you would get right off the bat with this program. And in addition to that, you would get tools for you to understand your work-life balance, for you to understand and get clarity in the spectrum of your career. How are you going to achieve those career goals? And first of all, what is that goal that you want to achieve and why? And in addition to that, you will get a lot of insights into how you want to maximize that money and make that paycheck work for you and your financial freedom while you are working yourself to be the best at your work. I will also give you tools towards creating that roadmap for you, a needle movers tool, where you will create the 30 days, the 60-day, and a 90-day plan, and how you're going to achieve that different spectrums and different milestones for you to succeed and accomplish the results. And lastly, I will give you something very important. A skill that each and every woman should possess is the skill of negotiation. We as women, a lot of the times, we underestimate or undervalue our presence, undervalue our contributions, or we are even shy to highlight our contributions. So I will give you the skill, a basic preview of that skill and how you can leverage it at work to maximize results. So this is just a preview, and again, like I said, this is a one of a kind program, so do not hesitate. It's worth every dollar you will spend, and it's available at limited spots only. So please take initiative, make the best decision to take charge of your career. Subscribe to this program, and because when you subscribe, I will send you some tools and some additional resources for you to get started and get the most out of this program. So please go ahead, subscribe, and get connected with me. And I'm very excited to help you achieve your career goals. Take care.